Want to see something cool? Now, I'm not really much of an electronics guy, so this could totally be as wrong as when you figured out what that pink submarine bathtub toy you had as a little kid actually was. I was 30 when it hit me and never looked at Grandma the same. She's only this tall. What in the bad dragon babushka bullshit even is that? But my buddy Casey in the climax of North Carolina sent in this fucking thing. So let's see if we can figure it out together. It's obviously a light sensor, probably for a tower or a building lighting setup. Whoever made it must be embarrassed about not having a locking ring on it or something because they couldn't be arsed to put a maker plate on it. Without that, I have no idea on make, model, or application. But check this shit out! Usually when you see a daylight sensor, it's just a simple photoresistor in a cheap plastic case, but this one is a triplet under glass. Up on top, we've got the classic CDS photocell. This is a passive component that has a high resistance in the dark and becomes more conductive as light strikes the interdigital pattern on the face. The color isn't quite right for the classic cadmium ones though, so this might be lead sulfide or indium antimonide, I don't know for sure. At an inch in diameter though, this is easily the biggest one I've ever seen. But look down at the sides, there's two more sensors and they look different. We've traded tangled fingers for rectilinear fenestrations, and these look more like photovoltaic cells. Photoresistors are usually as beige as an Amway convention, but these are as indigo as that crusty crystal trailer pagan you dated who is drooling patchouli from her groovy patootie. I get that it's a light sensor, but there's way more to this. This is too weird to be just turning on someone's nightlight. Please feel free to leave a comment if you can work this out, because I'd love to know the rest of the story. Sometimes we all get to learn something new together, and that's pretty cool.